Knitting can be like learning a new language. For example, what is SSK? What is K2Tog? What does this mean? All right, give me a moment and I'll illustrate it. So I've been working on the scarlet top, which I've called a vest. So previously I have put out some short videos illustrating the various steps along the way, but this is illustrating the shaping that occurs around the armholes and the V of your pattern if it calls for a V-neck. So basically you slip one stitch, then slip the second one, you bring your needle in behind, and you knit those 2 stitches off. Simple, right? Once you've done that, then you knit across your row until you get to the last 3 stitches. Okay, we're working our way, come on. Keep knitting. Get to the last 3 stitches. Don't you enjoy the whole rhythm of knitting? It's great, isn't it? You build your tension as you practice and go along. Okay, now we're at the last 3 stitches. And this is really simple. You've probably done it before. You just knit 2 stitches together. Get your needle in there, put your yarn over, slip them off your needle, knit that one last stitch, which is your edging stitch, and you're done. So this gives you a right slanting and a left slanting decrease, which gradually helps you shape the look of your sweater. Well, there you have it. The vest is complete. But here's what happened. Big surprise in the end. It didn't fit me. I asked my daughter if she wanted it. She said it wasn't really her style. So I pulled it all apart. Yep. Took me 1 week to knit and about an hour or less to take it apart. But I'm going to do it again. Because, what is it they say? If at first you don't succeed, try again. Well, I'll read the pattern more closely, take better measurements, and then I'll redo it.